Yo, what's up guys? In this quick tutorial we will learn how to make this amazing looking text reveal animation, which is colorful and just looks really stylish. And this one is super simple. We basically just need one effect for this and no plugins or whatsoever, and it will just take a few minutes. So I'd say let's just go right into it. So let's just go into a new composition, and first of all, most importantly, of course, also add a text, and I'll just type in test, for example, and yeah, then just press on the text thing and just press S on the keyboard to just scale this up, just like this. And now we can also go to the align tab on the right, which should be somewhere here, this one, and let's just also align it horizontally and vertically. And if you can't see this tab, you can just go to window and make sure align is checked right here. But yeah, let's focus on the one and only effect, which is the roughen edges effect. So just go to effects and presets and yeah, search for roughen edges effect, which is under stylize, and just apply it to our let's not apply it right away. Let's first of all click on the text layer and pre-compose real quick. So just go to pre-compose, make sure these settings are checked, and just press OK. And now with this pre-composition we can just apply the effect on it. And yeah, let's just go right to the beginning, and yeah, to animate this in, let's just bring the border value up really high. So let's just bring it so high up until there's nothing left of our text, just like, yeah, there's still something in there, just like this. Now everything is gone. So basically something like 350 I think should work, or maybe 400, but yeah, let's go with this one. And yeah, just make a keyframe at the beginning of our animation, and then just go forward like 2 seconds maybe and bring this back to 0. So just, yeah, put 0 in here. And yeah, now we have this super cool animation. And maybe we think this is too blurry here. We want it to be more flat, more 2D. So we can just increase the edge sharpness to something like 5 maybe, or 3. And yeah, this looks super cool. Sometimes I think that the beginning is too slow and the end is too fast, so it starts really slow and then suddenly the text is finished. And if you want to change this one, you can just select the border and open up the graph editor and click on border again, and make sure to select the Easy setting right here and just click it and select the first keyframe and just bring this down a bit. So now the beginning will be a bit faster and then will slow down, just like this. And I think this looks way more smooth. And yeah, this really looks interesting, but of course this doesn't have any color, and yeah, it's still a bit plain and boring. So let's change this real quick. So let's first of all just, yeah, let's also apply another effect, which is just really small, and which is the fill effect, and just apply it. And as you can see, we get a color. We can just select the color in here, and yeah, now the trick comes. We just have to duplicate this layer 2 times with Ctrl D. So just press Ctrl D on the keyboard, and now we have 3 of these layers, and let's just move them on the timeline a bit. So let's bring the second one a bit to the right, and the first one even more, just like this. And now we can't see any difference, but that's because yeah, all these layers have the same color. And yeah, we didn't make the fill effect for nothing, so let's use this. So yeah, let's select, for example, the second layer, and let's give it a light blue, for example, and then the third layer and give it a green maybe, just like this. And yeah, now we can see we have this cool text reveal animation already. It will maybe take some time to pre-render, but yeah, the result will be really cool. And I think for this example, okay, this should work. I think, yeah, the colors are too distinct, so it's not smooth enough. maybe we just made the edges too sharp. So let's actually just go to the settings again and bring down the edge sharpness to something like 3. So it will be a bit more blurry again, just like this. And yeah, now we can see the colors will be more smooth and will look more like liquid. And yeah, that's it already. I hope you enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time.